Hey guys, welcome back to GreenTGarden. Today here I have is the Vego L-shaped raised garden bed. Beautiful L shape. And growing in a raised bed is one of the best things you could do in your garden by adding all the organic matter inside. That gives you a big boost, making your soil supercharged. Stick around in this video. I'm going to show you how I'm putting this bed together and what I'm going to be putting inside of the bed. And I'm in Long Island, New York, and we're into fall time. And believe me, filling a raised bed up in fall time could be actually easier than we think. Free stuff is right on the ground to put inside that's rich organic matter. It is eco-friendly. It's rust-free for 20 plus years. It has a rubber that protects over it so you don't get cut or anything if you're leaning on it. It's very safe and healthy to grow your veggies and eat your veggies inside. It does make your garden pop and looks beautiful. I'm going to unbox and show you how to put it together quick and how we're going to fill it up simple, easy, and organic way. I'm going to check inside. It's really easy to put together. It just takes some time. I think it takes about at least about a good 30 minutes, 40 minutes. All right, so what's in the box? So we have all the side piece, the corner piece, more side piece. Those pole is going to go between to make it hold it and make it stronger. We have all the bolts and nuts. These are just the bolts and nuts. These things are, it comes with the washer and everything on there. They're really easy to screw on, an Allen key. So now if you look, they send you the manual right here. So that's how it's gonna look. But if you see, there are two different ones. This is the standard size and this is the larger one. If you don't have enough room, you could go with the standard. If you have a lot of room like me, you could go with the large size. And you can see how they have the heart shape, a whole bunch of different ideas and stuff what they have. It's amazing. So when you go through your manual, you want to make sure, figure out which one you have, if the standard or L shape or U shape or whatever you got. We're going to be building it this way. It's really easy. It's not going to be hard. It just takes a little bit of time. Put on some music, grab a cold beer, and definitely start putting this together. Before you start, I want to make sure there's plastic. It's protected by a plastic on all of them, so just remove the plastic. They come in, I think, about 3 different colors. Listen, for more price and details, check in the description box below. And I'm going to leave a discount code so you guys don't have to pay full price on any of the beds. Once you get all the plastic out, I'm going to tell you before you start how easy this thing is. It's not complicated. Now, start from one end. Either start from that end or start from this end. I'm going to start from this end. So if you see it right here, it has 2 round pieces. Now, I put my 2 round pieces there, and all what you do is you take 1 nut and 1 screw and you screw it right through. Very easy, right? And after we done that, now you should follow this way. Now we got 3 straight panels. And then if you look over here, now we have 2 panels and then 1 end. So you do it step by step. And then when you come with the 3 panels, then you get another round piece here. Then you get another 3 more panel, a round piece, and then another round piece. So it's not hard. You just have to make sure you go step by step. What to do, right? Take the bolt piece, the head piece, put it from the outside and the nut part that comes with the washer. So line up all the holes, right? And then basically we're gonna pop, you put the screw in first and then you just screw this tight like that. But before you tighten that up, go ahead and put the screw right through all the way down. Line it up first and then tighten everything up once you have all the screws in. It's really easy. If you see that all the screws are in, we're gonna put a screwdriver from the outside part just to hold the head from not spinning, and then lightly. You gotta if you're gonna use an impactor, a cordless battery or electric impactor, do not tie this too tight because then you could bend or damage the bed. So you want to make sure you take your time, use your hand. You know, your hands are better, and that's it, that tight. And I'm gonna do the same thing right through. So I just wanted to show you, I did 3 straight piece. We got the curve, and then I put that little V part. Oh, another thing I just want to make sure you guys know, remember to pull the plastic over on the front, and there's a plastic on the back. So make sure you take out the plastic before putting the bolts. Get this rubber right here, which we're gonna start from one end, and basically just what you gotta do is just push it right in here, and this will protect the edge from not cutting your hands. This edge wouldn't cut your hand, but if you rest too hard, maybe it will leave a mark maybe later on or something. But if with this rubber right here is a big plus, and as a protection, and we're gonna go right through. It's literally easy. Just push it down. That's all you need to do. All right, so Bandit, my doggy approved these beds. Beautiful. He's been hanging out with me, and as you could see, I do have the big one right there. So the big one, the length is 7 feet and the width is 7 feet and 17 inches high. Both of them are 17 inches high, and this small one is 5.5 feet in length and 5.5 feet in width. I'm going to show you guys an up close before I start filling them up and putting them in their right spot. So you could see this and these divider thing right here too. You just screw it on right there, and basically it's open up the bed to its full size and keeping it strong, holding it together. The company sent a lot of extra stuff, so which is a big plus. Most company will, not, but these guys send some good stuff. And as I said earlier, the rubber is amazing. This bed is 100% reusable metal. It's really eco-friendly, rust-free for years, lasts for years. It's a good high quality. I'm not just saying that because I have it. No, I appreciate this company for sending me these beds too. I am grateful, and I love raised bed. And these guys are amazing and beautiful. Don't forget to check in the description box for my link and exclusive code. If you're gonna purchase something, if you're gonna purchase a bed, please click on my link before, so I earn a small commission, and I'm grateful and appreciate it. And it does not cost you guys an extra penny at all. You actually save money when you click on my link and use my code. So I caddy corner one over here, the big one. It looks so beautiful. And I'm gonna fill that up soon. And hi, Kale. So the other one right here, the smaller one, I put in the corner over here, because as you see, I have my weed barrier down and stuff. So later on, I'm hoping to get a couple more, put more over there, and that looks beautiful. I'm gonna fill it up and show you guys real quick. And then I got a middle spot here, which I'm gonna put more stuff. So I do need a lot more bed coming up in the future, but right now, the best way I recommend, there's a lot of ways you could fill this bed up, but what I recommend is to do, it's 17-inch deep. So you cannot put soil alone. You put soil alone, you're not going to get good airflow. You're not going to get, you're going to spend a lot of money from just soil alone. So what we're going to do right now, it's fall time in Long Island, New York, and this is amazing. If you look, I have a lot of trees. I'm going to load this up with a lot of leaves. But before loading up with a lot of leaves, I'm going to put a bunch of logs. I have a bunch of split logs that I already chopped. I'm going to put a whole bunch of logs here first, and then we're going to load it up with all dry leaves and some dry grass, and this way it will break down throughout the winter. And then come next spring, all I'm going to do is add compost with soil, and we're going to have a super healthy raised bed. And a bunch of different type of logs right now. You could put in a bunch of sticks and branches and stuff and push them down all the way in. And then I'm gonna go and rake up my grass. You could get your John Deere and get all your leaves, cut your grass and get all your leaves, and just dump it in there right now. You have dry leaves, dry grass, branches, logs, cardboard, paper, kitchen scraps like your banana peel, apple peel. You could toss all of them in there. And if you're gonna use your bed right away, after you put all your sticks and branch and stuff like that, cover it up with a whole bunch of leaves and all your compost, and then you want to add some soil at the top, at least about 4 to 6 inches of layer of soil. Make sure you put enough soil, and all these stuff to start breaking down your plant. The root will absorb everything and benefit from all the nutrition and organic matter in here. And with the logs inside, it gives good oxygen and water drainage. So this is one of the best way to fill it up. It's cheap. Stuff you find right in your backyard, and you'll get the most healthiest soil. And once you have the most healthiest soil or bed right now, your plant will produce amazing at the top level. But you guys, but I feel like this is like an open organic dumpster. So I look for like cardboard paper. I go around my house, look for apple peels, banana peels, whatever I could dump in here. And you gotta remember, everything will break down and supercharge your soil. So if you're adding any paper, cardboard paper, make sure they don't have any like color ink on them or any chemical on them. Just get plain brown papers or papers. Use coffee ground and stuff or big bonus coffee ground filters and stuff. I have to hook up the John Deere tomorrow, cut the grass, put the mower a little high, and I'm gonna have a lot more grass and dry leaves to add in here. And this done. This is all done, baby. So remember one thing, if you're gonna buy a garden raised bed and you're gonna buy it even like next spring because you're in fall time, buy it now. It's Black Friday sale. It's the biggest sale right now. You're gonna pay half even some of the price. Everything is on sale. And if you're gonna buy or you just want to check out, check in the description box. Even in the comment, I will leave the link. Please click on my link before going onto this website. If you click on my link, you will get the best discount, and I also gain a commission from every sale, which will help out my garden channel. It's coming out to the holidays, so I'll take all the help I could get. So I do appreciate it if you guys make a purchase and use my code and use my link. I really do appreciate it. And I just want to say I love the bed. I love the company that it did awesome. I appreciate everything from this company they sent out to me. And I really wanted these L-shaped bed. They have U-shape, straight shape, circle, hard, whatever you want they have. Check it out. They're pretty good. I gotta tell you, it's rust free for years, 20 plus years, eco-friendly, 100% reuse safe metal, plus with the rubber and everything. And plants grow fast and grow amazing. So come next spring, you're gonna see how much stuff I'm gonna grow in these beds. So if you've been following GreenTGarden, you know I grow in the greenhouse, I grow in ground, I grow in container, and I'm growing in raised bed. Plus I'm also growing inside, and I'm still working in my garden inside going. So I got more videos coming up on GreenTGarden. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you're new. And we're in Long Island, New York, coming down to late fall. So thank you so much for watching GreenTGarden. I'll see you guys next time.